Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. I got a noisy belt. If we spray it, it stops. But it doesn't last for long. So we're gonna change the belt today and the belt tensioner. All right guys, check up the car. Remove the wheel. And here's your belt tensioner right here. It's held down by a bolt on the bottom and one on top. To remove the belt, you put a 19mm on here and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. It's not gonna move right away. Just put tension on it and this little piston is gonna compress, and then you'll be able to remove the belt. If you have another belt, you could do what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna cut the old belt off. That's easier for me. Before you do remove the belt, take a picture or sketch out the routing of the belt so you know how to put it back on, okay? I took a couple of clips off. There was one here, one down here, and I moved this whole plastic out of the way just so I have better access and I'll be able to show you better what I'm doing. All right, now we can take off this 17mm up there. All right, I'm using this part just to break it loose. All right. I don't want to loosen it too much because then I won't be able to get this out of here. I need to get just use a regular wrench on it. Okay, now I'm using my ratchet wrench to loosen it. Now, don't take it out all the way because we're gonna remove the bottom bolt next, okay? All right, now you can finish taking this top bolt off and this thing will come off. All right guys, this is your old tensioner and this is your new one. That's the part number and that's the part number for the belt. Let's throw this on. All right. So guys, I noticed that it has two spots to put the 19mm wrench to compress this piston. So I guess from the bottom, if you have it lift and you want to get it from the bottom, you put it here. If you want to do it from the top, I find it easier from the top. You could put it on this one. All right, now you can rod the belt. All right, I got my long handle ratchet attached to that 19 on top. I'm gonna use a pipe to give me more leverage so I could get this and push it towards the firewall. The belt is on. Make sure it's sitting in the middle of the pulley. It's not sticking out a little bit because it might get shredded or it might even come off. So check it on all the pulleys, make sure it's sitting right. All right guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.